This minus multiply minus become plus. 2 multiplied by 2 equal 4. If I write plus 2 multiply minus 2, this will be plus multiply by minus equal minus, and 2 multiplied by 2 equal 4. And if the both values are plus values, like plus 2 multiply plus 2, this is simple. Plus multiply plus equal plus, 2 multiply by 2 equal 4. The thing which is you should keep in your mind, if the signs are both negative, answer will be positive in multiply. In multiply, I am talking about multiply. I am not talking about plus or minus. Like if it is minus 2, this will be minus 4. This is plus minus. Here I am talking about multiply. When two negative values come together, so answer will be plus 4. Keep in your mind this. Then now we will solve some questions. It will be more clear for you guys. Page number 262. Open your books. Page number 262. Exercise 17. Question number 1 is 6 multiply minus 4. Okay, what will be answer? Here, if there is no sign, means here plus. If value without plus or minus, it means the value is plus value. If value without plus or minus, so it's positive. Okay, plus value. Here no sign, plus or minus, so it means this 6 is plus value. Now the answer plus multiply minus equal minus. And 6 multiply 4 equal 24. That was question number 1. Now question number 2. 7 multiply minus 2. Anyone can tell me what will be the answer? Anyone here?
Yeah, Mr. What?
7 multiply minus 2. What will be the answer?
Minus 14.
Minus 14. Very good. Because this minus and here plus. Plus multiply minus equal minus. 7 multiply 2 equal 14. 7 multiply 2 equal 14.
14.
Okay, now question number 3. Question number 3 is minus 8 multiply 3. So what will be answer? Plus minus minus 8 multiply 3, 24. Question number 4. Minus 6 multiply by 2. Okay, anyone?
Minus 12.
Minus 12.
Minus 12.
Minus 12.
Number 6. Number 5. 9 multiply minus 3. Answer?
Minus 27.
Minus 20.
Who is this? Okay, now number 6. Plus 4 multiply minus 3. Anyone? Plus multiply minus equal
minus 12.
Minus-
7. Minus 7. Minus.
multiply. Who is this saying
Ah.
minus 7? Question number 7. Minus 6 multiply minus plus 8. So answer 6 plus multiply minus equal minus 6 multiply 8 equal 48.
48.
Question number 8. Plus 1 multiply minus 5.
minus 5.
Good. Now number 9. Six multiply minus 1 equal
Hi, Mister. Minus 6.
okay, number 10. Minus 1 multiply plus 5. This minus and plus become minus. 1 multiplied by 5 equal 5. Number 11.
Mr. This is one.
Number 11. 8 multiply minus 2 equal
Minus 16.
minus 16. Very good. Number 12. 9 minus 9 multiply by 4 equal
Minus 63. 36. 36.
minus 36. Okay, now question number 13. Plus 6 multiply minus 7. Plus multiply,
Minus 42.
good. Number 14.
Minus 5. Mr. What the bet? 262.
262.
Mr. Minus 5. Minus 5.
Question number 15. 5 multiply by minus 2.5.
Minus 0.1. 25. Is that correct?
No. Look, 2.5 multiply by 5. 5, 25 here, 2 carry. 5 multiply by 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12.
5.
One value after the decimal, here the decimal. So 12.5 minus 12.5 minus 12.5 is the answer. Is it clear?
Yes, Mister.
Okay, now for the division. For the division. If both values, rule is almost same. If both values like this, for example, -2 over -5. This minus and minus cut with each other, it will be 2 over 5. If one value is positive, one value is negative. So it will be -2 over 5. If it is 2 over -5, this will be equal to -2 over 5, same. And if it is plus, this is already plus, no difference. Exercise 17G, page 262. Now this question number 1, -6 divided by 2. This is like -6 over 2. What will be answer? 6 over 2. 6 divided by 2 equal
3.
3. And this -1. So 3 answer, -3 is the answer.
-3.
Question number 2. -10 divided by 5. It will be -10 over 5.
-2.
-2. Very good. Question number 3. -15 over 3. Answer?
-5.
5. -5.
-5. Question number 4. -24 over 6.
-14.
Mister.
-4.
Yes.
Okay. Like minus, question number 8. -36 divided by 12 equal minus
3.
-4. 4.
3. -10 over plus 5. Plus 5 or simple 5, same.
15.
-2. Okay, now question number 14. -12 over 6 equal -2. Question number 18. -30 over 15 equal
-2. -5. 2, yes.